At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we're going to talk about our versatile herringbone laminate flooring range called Elegantia. The Elegantia range is available in 15 decors ranging from chateau white to attic black and features a host of benefits. It comes with a lifetime warranty, is suitable for use with underfloor heating systems, and due to its chateau lock fitting system, the boards can be mixed and matched in colour but also laid in multiple ways. You will receive boxes of A and B boards. These can be laid in a standard herringbone pattern, in rows of A's followed by B's, in a ladder format, or in alternating squares. You can be as creative as you want and create a variety of stunning finishes. The chateau lock fitting system makes fitting really easy. Depending on the layout, ensure that all the joints are glued. Engage the long joint of the A board, bringing the short joint square to the previous board and lower. Take the next B board and continue the same process until you create that lovely herringbone pattern. The Elegantia range not only offers 15 stunning decors, it enables you to be as creative as you want to be. You can colour mix or lay in a variety of different ways. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.